Maxed out, this is how it's going down. In this episode I'll be bringing to you some more crypto news. So just before we get into the video, just going to go over the market. So we can see that Bitcoin is down 1%, Ethereum is down 0.8%, and XRP's gone up quite a bit. Litecoin's not doing too badly. I'm considering taking up a position. I showed you guys a video yesterday of Litecoin and its potential move to the upside. Looking at the biggest gainers, we have Aave, which is up a whopping 25% in one day, which is crazy. And then Edgeware, which is up 14%, and Yuan Finance, which is up 10%. And looking at the biggest losers, we have Ampleforth. So I did get a bag of Ampleforth. So I woke up in the morning and I was trying to buy Ampleforth, and it took around 2 hours for me to send the Bitcoin from Bybit to KuCoin, and it was quite annoying because this was just going up and up. So I missed out on like a 15% move. But that's that. Digitex futures is down 9%. If you guys don't know about Digitex, they're one to look out for because essentially they allow you to trade for zero fees so long as you use their token, which is Digitex futures. And I believe they're about to launch. They have either a testnet or something along those lines, but they're in the run-up of becoming official, and this is completely unheard of. Zero trading fees. So definitely watch out for them if you guys are looking to trade and whatnot. So just looking at the best coin of the day on Lunar Crush. So we have Zilliqa. I own a small bag of Zilliqa, so I'm pleased that this is doing well. I have seen a small increase in the price, not much. It's only a small bag that I hold. If you guys don't know about Zilliqa, essentially they are one of Ethereum's competitors, and they're looking to solve the scalability issue of transaction speeds. So I believe their model or their token is based around sharding, which essentially allows you to make more transactions in the space of a block, or however their network works. I don't know the inside outs. If you guys are interested, check them out on Lunar Crush. So just getting into the articles of the day, it's quite bullish news that we have. So the Iranian authorities greenlight power plants to mine Bitcoin, and this is I've talked about Iran in the past, that their currency isn't too strong or whatever, and they are trying to essentially boost their economy. So I wouldn't be surprised if America are soon to follow them in terms of giving their economy different options. So we can see here, according to Iranian authorities, power plants mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but will not be able to take advantage of the subsidies. So this is very, very bullish news for Bitcoin. Very, very bullish. We've already seen a price spike of £2,000 in the last day or so. So who knows what's going to happen by the end of the year. I want to see something exciting, especially as it's been such a disappointing year. It'd be nice if we can all, be doubling our money at least in our Bitcoin. So in a statement to the Islamic Republic News, or the IRNA, on the 27th of July, Mustafa Rajabi, the deputy manager of Tavanir, one of the Iran's power plants, he said that the country could operate as the power plants in the country could operate as Bitcoin mines if they were to comply with approved tariffs and if they have the necessary licenses. So Mashadi said that any power plant considering such a venture could not use subsidized fuel for crypto mining, which isn't too bad in itself. That essentially just means that the price of them mining Bitcoin would just boost the price higher, because as you guys know, the halving was a couple months ago, and yeah, it would essentially mean a higher price for Bitcoin, which is very, very good for the space. And the main article of the day that we're talking about is Ethereum 2.0. If you guys don't know about Ethereum, essentially they are the second biggest cryptocurrency, and they are going through a transition phase. So at the moment, you have to mine Ethereum, but they're going to move to Ethereum 2.0, where it's proof of stake. So that allows for sharding. Essentially, for the Ethereum 2.0, you need 32 ETH to validate and become a node, and from there you can earn interest on that ETH. You'll need 32 ETH to run a validator node, and that will be how the network operates, so there'll be no more mining. And Vitalik has said this because he essentially thinks that miners are too incentivized by the price, and this will sort of give it a level playing field, but I don't agree. It just means that the rich will get richer, but this is a good opportunity for us as investors to capitalize on this. Do bear in mind that this, launch or whatever isn't like an immediate thing. It will take years to implement the Ethereum 2.0, but just to have that in mind. Ethereum 2.0 developers released the specifications for the official testnet on Wednesday ahead of a presumed end of year launch. The testnet will begin on the 4th of August, which is just 3 or 4 days from here now, and will be named Medalla after the Buenos Aires metro stop. In this case, official means that the testnet is deployed by the Ethereum Foundation. The testnet is still run by a decentralized group of programmers, developers, and code auditors organized by fork coordinator Afri Shodan. I probably butchered that name, but anyway. Official also means that the network's code base is nearing ready for launch, as investors and developers have begun to itch for the multi-year project's release. ETH 2.0 researcher Justin Drake recently announced a unilateral effort to get the first part of the network shipped before the year's close due to pushback on a later date. So I do believe that with ETH 2.0 there will be a sort of, buy the rumor, sell the news event where we do see a price spike around the 4th of August. Something similar happened with Cardano. However, it wasn't as big as I anticipated and therefore I didn't sell it. But if you guys are interested, then you can, sort of sell your ETH on the day and then buy the dip essentially. So it means that you've gained, you're just increasing your stack of Ethereum essentially. So yeah, look out for the date, the 4th of August, which is 5 days from now, so next week. So yeah, that's been the video, guys. I hope you found value in it, and it's been a quite short one, I know, but yeah, stay tuned for more. I'll be back with you soon. All right, bye.